Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and it is a video for the unboxing of the Iqoo 007. And after a long time I got my order friends, so it's been really a big delay with my order. So let me quickly unbox the phone and let's see what are the contents we do get, and make sure to hit that subscribe. I'll try to create the playlist for the Iqoo 007 as you can see friends. So try to follow the playlist every day, so because every day I'll try to post more and more videos on this Iqoo 007 product, so you'll get to know all the details, and I'll try to do in-depth comparison mainly with this Mi11X device, so which I got right now in testing all the battery draining and green tint issues and all those problems. So if you have any queries, so make sure to hit that subscribe and click that bell icon, and send me the screenshot in the Instagram friends. As you can see, send me the screenshot similarly like this, and you can ask the query as well, and make sure to follow me in the Instagram. I'll try to post the camera samples so from now in the Instagram as well, so for a lot of users who are really interested to know the camera samples of this phone. So let me try to quickly begin the unboxing of this phone right now. So make sure to follow me in the Instagram friends. So definitely I'll do my best to do the camera quality check as well. So this is a main area where I did not concentrate much before, but it is a final product, Iqoo 007. As you can see friends, this is how the box is overall, the package and everything as you can see. So this is a phone it looks. Let me try to quickly keep this Amazon box aside, and it is a building, and let me keep everything aside. And this is Iqoo 007 as you can see friends. And the variant which I ordered is a 8GB and 128GB model. So let me try to quickly cut the seal, and let me try to open. And I'm very much eager to test friends this kind of phone performance, and this is my first Iqoo model which I purchased till now. So this is my first phone, and it is the unboxing experience, and let me try to see the seal whether it's open or not. I think it's not open before, so that is a must check every time. So it is unboxing experience as you can see friends. So monster inside, so I am really eager to check this phone performance mainly, especially. So let me try to take out the phone first, and let me try to switch on the phone. So then I'll try to go through the package, what the box has. So here's the phone, everything. So let me try to take out the package, and let me try to show you friends, as you can see friends. So this is how the back panel looks. So this is the color which I ordered. So let me try to quickly turn on the phone, and I'll try to keep the phone aside as well meanwhile. So let's boot up, and these are the box contents, and let's see what is there in this box. So I think you do get the SIM card pin, ejector pin as well in this phone, and some couple of papers, warranty papers I guess. So let me see the quality of the case what we are getting, and here is the case. This is how it looks friends. It's not that strong hard case you do get, it's really soft, so that's good. You are getting the case, and you are getting the cable, charging cable as you can see, and the fast charging 66 watts as you can see friends. So I'll try to test the charging speeds as well mainly. So my target is for the next few days to make as many videos as possible on this phone. As you can see friends, I did upload plenty of videos on the other smartphones, so same thing I'm gonna do on this Iqoo 007 as well. I'll try to upload as many videos as possible. So let me try to quickly select all the categories. And initial impressions were really good and positive friends with this phone. So this is just an unboxing video, so that's why I cannot cover much of the topics in this unboxing review. So I'll try to talk about all the categories of how much RAM available and all those things in the next video. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. So make sure to comment below friends what are the other videos you want me to make on this Iqoo 007. So definitely I'll do my best to cover a video on this phone. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.